everybody. Welcome to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a video today on, I'm going to do a flip and drag. So I've got white Artist Loft Flow acrylic paint, like this. Okay, it's a little more liquidy than in the tubes. And I've mixed it with my Floetrol 1:1. And I've added some water to help it thin. Now for this background, it needs to be kind of runny, so it runs off the stick really easy. So it flows around on the canvas, so you can spread it. So I hope this one is, I never seem to do it runny enough, but we'll give it a whirl. And then I'm gonna use, I'll show you my colors in a minute, and I'll turn you down. I think I'll just be safe, I'll add a little more water. That's pretty watery now. Now, okay, so I'm just going to pour it on. Let's get my little spreader. Edges. I did some edges before I started. Just see if it'll run. It'll soak in and it'll dry smooth. There we go. I'll let it run down this way a little more. There, it's going now. There, it's going pretty smooth now. Just help it along there with the edges. Still could have had a little more water in there, but we're okay. There. Okay. A little bit. Put my lid back on my white so it Don't need my white anymore. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk. So I'm going to put a drop in this cup. If you can see my cup, there it is. Maybe 2. So I guess I will start with, I'm going to use yellow, which is an Artist Loft yellow. It's the Flow Acrylic yellow. It's called yellow, just called yellow. I'll start with some of that. And this is pretty smooth, so I just add some of that into the cup at the bottom. Don't need much paint for flip and drags. I'll put some red. I haven't got any silicone in these, but I'm hoping that the little bit in the bottom of my cup will help. So this is Rowney Crimson, it's called. Comes in a tube. And this is Artist Loft Gold. Metallic gold. This one is, yeah, just metallic gold. And the Rowney, I think it's over here. It's called Crimson. All right, so I got yellow, red, gold, and then I've got Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. Now this hasn't got any silicone in it, so I'm going to add a couple of drops of coconut milk to this blue, because there's not much left in there, so I won't need it for another project. I might use it all, I'm not sure. Well, I probably won't use it all. I'm sure I'll need it for something else. Cobalt blue is a pretty color. All right, now I'm probably going to put some more yellow on top. And a little bit more red. And I think maybe a bit more gold, and I think that's all. All right, and there's inside of the cup. I'm just going to give it a 1 toss. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to poke a hole in the bottom. And I'll start right here. There, that should let the air in so that the paint flows out easy. All right, let's put my lids back on. So make sure you stay around till the end. I'll put the dried results at the end of the video. So I'm just going to slide it around. Oh, more came out than I wanted, but whoa. I'll let that down there a bit. cover this up. And let it come this way. I think that's enough. Those are cool colors, kind of fall-like colors. The red and the yellow made some orange. So I'm going to take my straw. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to come back this way and do this side again. There, I love it. Oh, I love that. I'm getting some blue on the edge there. Where else? Where else? Where else? A little bit. I like that. I like the white going through. I love that. There's some lacing. Very cool. I wonder if the heat gun will bring any more out. I don't want to do too much. I like the amount of cells that are there now. I'll break the air bubbles anyway. Ah, it's really pretty. I think it's really pretty. Give you a close-up. Really nice. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and then I'll come back, show you the dried results. And there you go. I love it. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the bell, you'll get notifications when I do more. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hiya. Carol's here. I just thought I would come and show you my flip and drag that I did a couple of days ago. It is, I'd say, 90% dry. Dry. I'll show you some cells. Just a little bit in the middle is still a little damp. But it's dried well. It's really pretty. that's it. Look at this. This is so nice here. That's the dried results. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.